Is that where watermelons are grown? Is Georgia?
I don't know. I don't know where they grow watermelon. But today,
Where are watermelons grown? I ruined your intro.
Today we are taste testing watermelon that we picked up at the grocery store to figure out what is the best tasting watermelon, and then we're gonna make a video on how to pick the perfect watermelon.
I'm very curious to see how the American watermelons taste. And when I was in Europe, it was just the juiciest watermelon I've ever seen, and it was so sweet.
I'm not gonna be able to go to the gym today, so
These are hefty.
this is good.
What'd you say? This is like 20 pounds?
Yeah, watermelon is supposed to be heavier than it looks.
Normally, I think you have to do some like
Some knocking. Ooh,
knocking.
mine sounds different than yours.
some
Listen.
listening.
Do I have to cut one? Is there a right way to cut one?
There's lots of ways to cut a watermelon.
How many are we trying?
I don't know. How many are we gonna try?
Producer man.
Help!
I can tell it might be a little soft.
I mean, I got crunch right off the bat, so.
Oh, I don't know.
I like this one.
There's no sweetness to it at all.
It's not very sweet. It's
No.
more sour. That is true.
This may be my favorite one yet. This is going straight to the top of the class for you, kid.
Yeah.
It's good taste, good texture.
The rind seems appropriate size, not too big.
Texture is there, flavor not so much.
I would have preferred if my producer would have chilled it a bit more because I like my watermelon cold, but you know. Now this is what your watermelon's supposed to look like, folks.
This one, and it's more pink, I would say.
Yeah, it's actually very pink.
This one looks. This one just looks mealy.
Wow.
Yeah, this one has a lot more pinkness.
Ooh. I don't like that at all.
This one's a little bit more sour.
Yeah.
It's like that, maybe a little underripe.
I don't know if this makes sense, but it is more hydrated. Like it's juicier. There's more water content.
Agreed.
This one tastes sour. Like, it doesn't have a watermelon taste. It's a little bit.
And it's not as crisp as the first one was.
I feel like this one is gonna be one of the worst ones.
I really like that one.
What is this?
I'm already. This one looks not good.
This looks
Oh
unedible.
my god! Look at that!
Look at the rind on this one. Holy moly. That is so much rind.
Don't eat it.
Oh.
I'll
We're
eat
not
it.
gonna
No,
eat it.
I'm gonna eat it. Why would anyone eat
It
it?
looks like a sick watermelon. Oh no! Don't eat this.
It looks like
I kind of want to try
I don't
it.
know if they're gonna keep this in the video, but this, if a watermelon had gonorrhea, I imagine this is what it would look like.
As I'm about to take a bite.
Don't eat that.
Is that bad or is it like not ripe at all?
I don't know, but it looks disgusting.
Yeah, that's going at the end.
It's very gummy.
Here, zoom it, punch in. It kind of tastes like
This?
a honeydew a little bit.
Ooh!
It's real crunchy, so that makes me think that it's like not even close to ripe.
And it's like kind of jelly.
Yeah, it's not good.
Try it again.
No.
No.
Ooh, this one has a pretty green rind.
It's very short rind too compared to
Oh,
this
that's
one.
you know, we haven't been looking at rind.
I'm actually learning about water right now, and watermelon is one of the foods to have the highest content of water. Yeah, but actually, carrots and cucumber have more. Fun fact.
This is my worst one. The sweetness is good, but I cannot do the texture. I don't even know if I can eat any more of this one.
Mushy, not sweet.
What? No, my piece was really good.
It has more of a sugary flavor, but it's almost like it's like a day too long. Like it's not bad, but it feels like tomorrow it might be bad.
It tastes like mashed potato watermelon.
My first bite was a little crispier. My second bite was like where the mush was.
Yeah.
I'm not real, a
It's
real
like
fan
going
of the mush.
straight down.
Just think of like a watermelon slush. That's what it tastes like to me.
No, it's too like mushy.
I like it.
I like a firm watermelon.
So we have confirmed that the shorter the rind, or no, wait, yeah.
Yeah, the shorter the rind, the better the watermelon.
This one looks mushy. I can tell it's mushy.
It's almost like Jello.
Ooh.
I got a floppy one.
Oh no, it's mealy.
This
This one's cold.
But it's sweet.
It tastes really good.
This one is
Dark and mysterious.
yes. This one has a troubled past.
The taste
like
isn't
this one.
terrible, but I don't like the texture. I don't like the mushy, like,
Oh, yours is mushy. Mine's.
no.
I
You
got the mushy
you got
part.
the
Yeah.
mush.
Like when you have like watermelon candies, it's the flavor. I get a lot of that flavor from this.
Yeah.
Not so much of the sweetness, but that what you associate with watermelon flavor. This one has a lot of that flavor.
Wait, so are we wrong? We're wrong about our rind theory.
So maybe the theory is no one actually knows. This one just looks like it was cut weird.
It's a nice, firm, stiff watermelon.
I don't know, this looks pretty.
Nothing.
This one's too juicy.
Wow, this tastes really good. And this, look at this deep red color.
This one for some reason is still
All the seeds
most
look
red.
nasty.
The
This one-
seeds. There's no
Yeah,
seeds.
no, look, the seed on this one looks gross.
They're seedless, right?
No, they have the white seeds.
I'm not
It's
into
juicier, but there's no flavor.
it. It's sweet, but like I'm not getting anything.
There's no, I'm not tasting like any sugar.
This is delicious.
Now, texture-wise, this one has a little bit of that like kind of mealiness.
I like that.
You like the mealiness?
I think I like that, yeah.
the firm. I like the firmer watermelon.
No, too mushy.
This one's complete mush.
This one had a lot of flavor right off the bat, but the closer I get to the rind, I lose a lot of the flavor and a lot of the sweetness.
For me, this is like,
Mealy juice water sweet, not good sweet, not crisp, refreshing sweet.
I didn't even get sweetness.
Really?
I would even put this below the sour because it's like nothing.
These two,
The winner.
bright, lots of flavor, but a lot of sweetness. This one is just so rich.
I might put that. I enjoyed this one more, which makes me think maybe I like a lighter, more.
So you're thinking like something
Refreshing.
like that?
Yeah, that one just had so much more flavor and sweetness and crispness.
And that was actually pretty easy. It was kind of crazy, like how different they tasted.
Okay. I'm just gonna take
Finish
my
that
other
one
test.
off?
Yeah. Because apparently this was the best one.
That was the best one. I wonder if it was the same as everyone else's.
Now I'm questioning that one. I don't like that one that much.
No.
A lot of flavor and some sweetness. Great texture.
Yes? Second? No? It kind of changes from slice to slice. It's
That's
like
true.
the section of the watermelon that you got. Probably like it varies, you know?
These ones, I'm pretty locked.
Those I'm pretty sure of. And
Nasty,
even
sour, and this was just mealy.
if, yeah.
So we swapped 4 and 1, so it goes 5, 1, 4.
I actually like this one too.
Still love it, but super sweet. Sugary.
But the middle, these three, I would eat them. Like I would eat them, I would be happy, it would be fine.
See this one? This one still doesn't taste ripe enough to me. It's got that greenness that maybe you like you like it a little less ripe. But this one is just like perfect. I can't
gonna judge-
accept this in second place because I believe in it being first so much.
So our favorite was number 1.
Number
so,
what?
Showcase number 1. Our second was number 5.
Number 5.
Number 6. Number 5. Number 1.
1, 5. This
Our
one is
winner.
just a perfect combination of sweet and juicy and crisp,
Yes.
which is, I think, what everyone wants out of their watermelon.
I would say yes.
Their watermelon.
This also goes to show you when you're at the grocery store, just because it's all at the same grocery store, came from the same place, there can be totally different flavors of watermelon, which is why it's really important to know how to pick the best one.
You really want to not just randomly pick a watermelon. I think you want to give some thought and intention between what watermelon you're picking out versus just saying like, this one looks good and taking it.
But if you want to find out how to pick the perfect watermelon, check out our other video and you'll know.
Watermelon drop! Just kidding. Slam everywhere.
Is there more? What this one cut up? Because I want some.
There's a whole bag, a whole garbage bag of watermelon.
Don't say a garbage bag of watermelon.